My mom forwarded me an email that said that in Shelby, North Carolina, on the following weekend, they were having the annual Liver Mush Festival. I thought, liver mush? What is that? I grew up in the South, but had no clue. And I was pretty sure I wasn't going to try it, even though I'm generally very adventurous. But I did know that I just had to go. It seemed like this fun, interesting, quirky thing, and I knew it was a must. Oh my gosh, there it is. I actually tried deep fried pickles recently in Flat Rock. They're really good. Okay, this makes me laugh. This booth surprised me and was playing merengue music, so I decided to spontaneously dance. My gosh, how I love a good antique shop, or a thrift store, or something like that where you find really unique things. So pretty. A few years ago or so, I was at the Sunset Marquis Hotel in West Hollywood, just after the Grammys, and I saw this woman wearing some amazing pants. They were Western style with a lot of pizzazz, and I said, "Oh my gosh, I love your pants," to Tanya Tucker. So I had to get this record. Love that plum color. My gold. I totally had a camera like this. Wow. Brings you back to childhood. Definitely had all those xylophones. It's super cute. I love that fridge. Oh my gosh. Love it. Ooh. Aw, cowtails. Definitely sentimental. Used to go to the dollar store after church on Sundays and we could each have a pick. That was always my pick. So this reminds me of this cowgirl pinup bottle opener that my friend Cowboy Cal gave me for my birthday one year. He's great. We've worked together probably about 100 times, and this just makes me smile. The music is totally pulling me. Surprise, surprise. So I ended up spending ages in that shop, that antique shop, but had the best time talking to this woman, Nina, who was just a gem. It was such a blessing meeting her. She's like telling her story. I don't know. There was just so much in common, so much that we connected about, a lot of quick vulnerability. And I don't know. She was great. Anyways, but now for some music. You can bet I did more dancing.
Just one.
$2, please.
Liver Lunch is a fully cooked, 5-gram, low-fat sausage. We take the fat out and we put pork liver in it.
Okay.
Because sausage is high content of fat.
Yeah.
Then we put cornmeal in as a filler.
Okay.
It's fully cooked, ready to eat. So people still fry it, pan fry it, deep fry it, bake it, microwave, whatever. We do about 80,000 pounds a month.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. So where can someone find you after this festival is over? Where can they find your liver mush?
We're here in all the stores. Food Line, Ingles, Walmart, everybody, all the small stores. We sell it at restaurants.
Wow. Congratulations.
Bacon,
That's amazing.
sausage section.
Yeah. They're refrigerated.
Yeah, and the meats. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's great.
Gluten-free, low fat, high. It's moderate carbs, none come from sugar.
Oh, and you're the owner?
Yeah.
And what's your name?
Ron Keith.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Well, there you have it. Low fat and gluten free.